Hello po everyone. Have a good day po sa inyong lahat. And so this video is tungkol sa pagkuha ko ng police clearance sa Taiwan since I work in Taiwan for 3 years. So I need police clearance from Taiwan for my requirements for K1. So nung nag-request ako ng police clearance ko, wala pa akong na-receive na case number nung time na yon. So, and hindi pa ako nakaka-receive ng approval notice from, hindi pa kami nakaka-receive ng approval notice from USCIS. So, it's okay lang naman kumuha ng early kasi walang expiration date yung police clearance. So, I don't know in other countries if the same thing. Kasi sabi naman is, what's the point na merong expiration date since hindi naman, we are no longer working on that country. So, kung wala namang expiration, you can request early. Right? Kasi 1 month ang waiting nun. 1 month bago siya dumating dito sa Pinas, bago mo siya ma-receive. So nag-request ako ng aking Taiwan police clearance. So lumuwas akong Manila. Meron kasi doong MECO office, Manila Economic Cultural Office, na parang tied up siya sa Taiwan, na pwede kang for Taiwan OFW, ganyan. So, I don't know kung sa ibang bansa if ano yung office na pwedeng lapitan to request for, like example, police clearance. Basta ang alam ko is pag Taiwan, MECO, sa MECO Manila, sa Makati. So, what I did is lumuwas akong Manila and then pumunta akong MECO para mag-request doon ng police clearance sa Taiwan. So, nalaman ko yun is for search lang din. So, yun. So, nalaman namin na meron doon sa Manila na may office yung MECO na pwedeng makapag-request ng Taiwan police clearance. So, lumuwas ako Manila and then pumunta akong MECO and then fill up doon ng form. And then, lalagay mo din kung saan mo i-address yung pagpapadala ng police clearance. So, LBC yon, sa LBC mo. Sa LBC ko pina-address doon sa malapit na LBC sa amin. So, may payment siya. So, yun. So, yung binayaran ko is more than 2,000 pesos. So, hindi ko lang alam sa iba, kasi yung mga OFW iba-ibang bansa yung pinagtatrabahuan. So, yun. And, so 1 month yung waiting nun before ko na-receive yung aking police clearance. So, it's good naman kasi sabi ko, walang expiration date. So, okay lang. Yung hindi ka lang pwedeng kumuha ng early na police clearance is Philippines. Kasi, pag early mo siya kinuha, of course, but actually, hindi na hinahanap doon sa Manila US Embassy yung police clearance. Yung hinahanap nila is NBI. So, yun. About nagtanong sa akin. So, I don't know if which country siya nagtrabaho before. So ako kasi Taiwan, so that's my experience. So, nung nalaman ko wala expiration date yung police clearance na ini-issue nila because I am no longer working in Taiwan, so wala siyang expiration date, what I did is kumuha ako early. So, okay lang yun. So, yun lang yung aking ma-share about how and when I get my police clearance in Taiwan. So I don't know in other countries on how, if there are some offices in Manila that you can able to go and request a police clearance. let's say if you worked before in Saudi Arabia or Singapore, so I don't know how, maybe you can research it in Google. So I guess pwede kayong mag-request online to that. So since I'm so thankful na merong office sa Manila na pwede napuntahan ko and to request my police clearance. So yun. So in other countries, I don't know how they get that. So maybe there are some videos na makikita kayo, YouTube or Google, na on how you can request your police clearance if you worked Saudi Arabia or Singapore or Hong Kong before. So yun lang guys, yun lang, na-share ko lang yung experience ko about how do I get my police clearance and when did I request police clearance in Taiwan. So yun lang guys, and hopefully you're gonna have a good day, and God bless you all, and thank you for watching.